Kung pumasok yung tirang yun, first lead by Parañaque after nung first quarter. Tansinko, ayaw mangyari yun. Kumuha kay Tansinko, they did not realize it, but instead, Tweety San.
Kantimbuhan takes it strong to the cup. He really want that one.
Punch, especially in the second half. Para sa 10-act.
Leland. Here's Leland. Drive. Monte comes up with the top, but Leland recovers. Okay. Puroy drives. And the finish by Puroy Kantimbuhan. Kantimbuhan to Tansinko, 25. Para kay Tosi Tansinko.
What a game by those two players who scored 14 points in the first half. Second half, different story. Para kay Kantimbuhan.